Yeah. Okay. Okay.
That didn't like match anything at all.
What is that noise?
Birds?
No, not that noise. That noise.
It's a
Yeah.
it's like a cricket. That is the gist of out here. Wow.
Bro, fuck going camping in Ocala, dog. We can camp right here. Sounds more naturey than Ocala.
We could, but
You just gotta worry about getting murdered.
watch out.
Destroy your appetite, man.
That's not an alligator.
No, it's a fucking bug.
Oh, hell yeah.
Chill, these fucking churrascos are humongous.
It's exploding already.
Yeah, you should probably not put them right in the fire.
It's a good thing I don't have tonsils.
You wanna close it?
Slap at the base. Yeesh.
Huge, bro. It's ginormous.
We didn't have plates, so we're being
Caveman.
homeless.
Yeah. Okay.
Fucking good.
Okay. Yeah. Snowflakes keep falling on my expired debit cards. Don't know why I'm still awake. I gotta be up at 10 or more.